Hey guys, welcome to CodeBode. In this video, we'll learn about comments. We have been writing comments in each of our videos. So let's understand them in details this time. So comments are basically metadata for our code. Any information about the code is written inside comments. And comments are not the part of execution, so compiler completely ignores it. So even if you want to ignore a certain part of a code or you don't want a certain part of a code to execute, you can simply comment it. Now there are two types of comments in Java, single line and multi-line. When you want to write a simple or a single statement inside comment, you can use single line comments. So for example, if I write finding the greatest number and just add two slashes before it, then it is called a single line comment. And if you want to add or write a larger comment or a block of statement inside comments, you can do it by writing it between slash star to star slash, and it is treated as multi-line comment. For example, if I have some block of statements like this written inside slash star and star slash, it will be treated as multi-line comments. So Eclipse has a shortcut to add and remove comments. For single line comments, if you select the statement and press Ctrl plus question mark, single line comment will be added to it. And for multi-line comments, the shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus question mark. You can simply add or remove comments this way. So although comments are not the part of execution of code, they are very useful. So it is important to understand them and know how to use it. In the next videos, we'll study more about Java language. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. And also like and share this video. Thank you.